Class 6 chapter number 4 basic geometrical ideas exercise 4.3. Given question is draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have one point in common. So we are roughly drawing angle AOB and angle COD. Over here we will have one point in common, that is O. So our diagram is ready. Another one is 2 points in common. We have to draw a rough diagram in which we have 2 points in common. So the angles formed are angle ABC, A, B and C. Another angle is D, E and F. If you see clearly, we can have one point, another point. We have 2 points in common in these two angles. So this is a rough diagram of getting 2 points in common. Next is we have to obtain 3 common points. So how will we draw the angles? Angle ABC, angle A, B and C. Another angle is angle DEF, angle D, E and F. So this is a ray BC on which we get 2 points, point M and point L, and over here is point E. So we get 3 points, L, M and E. So our rough diagram of getting 3 points in common is ready. Now how to get 4 points in common? So the diagram is somewhat like this. Triangle A, B, C and triangle D, E, F. 4 points in common obtained are point O, point N, point M and point L. I hope you have understand. One ray in common. We have to draw a diagram in which we have one ray in common. So in the triangle ABC and the triangle CB and D, this is the ray BC which is common. That is, this ray is used in the angle ABC also and CBD also. So this is how we can get the diagram. Now over here is draw a circle with radius 4 cm. So if we want to draw a circle of 4 cm, we will take a rounder, put it in the center, measuring with 4 cm, and we will make a circle. After that we will obtain all these things, which is center of the circle, this is O, diameter is AB. The diameter is which starts from one point on the circle and ends on another point of the circle, passing through the center. It should compulsorily pass through the center, then only it is called a diameter. Then chord. What is a chord? It starts from one point on the circle and on the other side of the circle a point, but it does not intersect, but it does not cross the center point. So diameter is if we see, we feel like it is same, but the chord and diameter have only one difference, that diameter passes through the center and chord does not pass through the center. Then an arc APQ. If we see, this is called arc APQ. Then a sector is OD and B. If you see, from O to B it is a radius, O to D is a radius, then the area between them is called a sector. Now we will see a segment. What is a segment? If you see the area over here formed with the help of a chord, this is a chord, this also is an arc, and the area between it is called segment. So we can say XA, this portion is called segment. Further, from the figure we have to identify the radius, diameter, center, chord, 2 points in the interior, 1 point in exterior, a sector and a segment. So we will see. As we already saw in the diagram before, this is the center, AC is the diameter, ED is the chord, and the area between this is called segment. Area between these two radiuses is called sector. A and B is arc, OA radius, OB radius. Point P is in the interior of the circle. Point Q is in the exterior of the circle. Point O is also called in the interior of the circle. So over here we have almost completed many basic geometrical ideas. Hope you have understood.